The solar-powered LED security spotlights from Pacific Accents. The easy and economical way to light the way. Installation is easy. Just attach the spotlight to the mounting bracket, adjust the solar panel, and direct the lights. They detect motion from 30 feet and detect a wide angle of 110 degrees. Because there's no wiring needed, the solar spotlights from Pacific Accents can be mounted just about anywhere, and they're a perfect theft deterrent. Reliable security in a name you can trust. That's Pacific Accents.